Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Social Science class, Civics, Unit 2, the Constitution of India.
In this lesson, two brothers, Yolinian and Sudarali, argue regarding the watching of TV, while the elder one has the test. After the long talk, they discussed about the Republic Day celebration. Children, do you know why do we celebrate the Republic Day?
Our Constitution was framed and came into existence from 26 January 1950. That is why every year we observe this day as the Republic Day. What do you mean by the Constitution of India? The Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles and laws of a country. It also defines the rights and duties of citizens. The laws governing a country originate from the Constitution. Every country is ruled on the basis of its Constitution. Children, what are the things that make the Constitution of India? The Constitution of India is the ultimate law. We have to abide by it. It explains the fundamental concept of structure, methods, powers and duties of the government bodies. It also lists the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens. Directive principles are also mentioned in the Constitution. So it is holistic in nature. Next one, frame the Constitution. In 1946, nearly 389 members of the Constituent Assembly who belonged to different parties from different places came together to frame the Constitution of India. Children, do you know who is the first president of independent India? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was also the chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Who is the first prime minister of India? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next one, members in the Constituent Assembly. Who are the other significant members in the Constituent Assembly? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, S. Radhakrishnan, Vijayalakshmi Pandit and Sarojini Naidu were the members in the Constituent Assembly. Children, do you know how many women members were there in the Constituent Assembly? Yes, 15 women members were in the Constituent Assembly. Children, who is the father of the Constitution of India? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the chairman of drafting committee. The committee met for the first time on 9th December 1946. On the same day, the drafting of Constitution of India started.
Children, do you know? Did they draft it in a short span of time? No. Nearly 2000 amendments were made before the drafts was finalized. When did they complete this work? It took a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. It was completed on 26th November 1949.
Children, do you know how much was spent to frame the Constitution of India? Yes, they spent almost 64 lakhs. Next one, objectives of the Constitution. The preamble of our Constitution stresses on the justice, liberty, equality, unity, fraternity and integrity of nation. What is a preamble? Preamble is an introduction to a book or a written document. Preamble is the preface of the Constitution. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. What does it mean by sovereign? The Constitution has granted the people the right to rule. The right to decide is only in the hands of the representatives. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate power of the country. What is the meaning of secular? All citizens enjoy the freedom of worship. All the religions in our country hold the same status. Secular is a state which does not discriminate anyone on religious grounds. Next, we are going to study about the fundamental rights and duties of the citizen. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights of all citizens. First one, right to equality, then right to freedom, right against exploitation, right freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Like fundamental rights, every citizen will have duties. There are respecting the national flag and the national anthem, respect and protect the constitution, follow our great leaders who fought for our freedom to protect our country, treating everyone as brothers irrespective of their caste, religion, languages, to conserve our ancient heritage and conserve natural elements like forest, rivers and lakes, to avoid non-violence and protect government properties. Parents or guardians providing educational opportunities to children between 6 to 14 years. Next one, universal adult franchise. What is universal adult franchise? Every Indian citizen has the right to vote when they attain 18 years of age, irrespective of any caste, religion, gender or economic status. Okay students, shall we recall now? What do you mean by the Constitution of India? The Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles and laws of a country. Who was the chairman of the Constitution Committee? Yes, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is the father of the Constitution of India. What is a preamble? Preamble is an introduction to a book or a written document. According to a preamble, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. All citizens enjoy the freedom of worship. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights of all citizens. Universal adult franchise is every citizen's right to vote when they attain 18 years of age. Okay students, we have completed civics unit 2, the Constitution of India. Thank you students.